So, here's my place. Today I'm cleaning up a little bit because I don't have a wound vac on for the weekend. So I'm like, let's get a little bit cleaned up because my parents... Oh, what is that noise in the background? It's Kiss. Kiss. On my record player. So I'm going to turn them down so we can continue this. Close this up. I was asked by a few people to do like a little video showing off my place. My place is like every wall's got some stuff on it, so I'm going to show you just a little bit today. Here's part one. Alright, this is my pedestal, gold pedestal. See, gotta clean all this up. My dad went and unplugged everything when I was in the hospital. Oh yeah, like I was saying, so my parents boxed a bunch of my stuff up when I was in the hospital. Maybe they thought I was gonna die, so they were like, at least if he dies or when he dies, it's gonna be boxed up and just tossed. But didn't die, so now I have to unbox a bunch of stuff. Here's my pedestal of some awards. My Avian World Web Director Champion belt with my logo and then the Puba logo's over here. And this is my Russian Vodka King mask that I wore to the Avian Awards. It's got my logo on the back. Yeah. And my Avian Award for Best Web Director. My 2 XRC awards the last 2 years for Best Web Director. That's how you do it. If you're creative, you know what the fuck you're doing technically. You don't need a crew of 6-7 people that you bitch about. You do it by yourself or with one other person that can help you and knows what he's doing as well. That's it. Be fucking creative. And don't shoot your shit on your cell phone. Otherwise you're never gonna be a porn star. So there's my Atari 2600 framed. Ton of my Super 8 cameras. I collect Super 8 cameras. I have about 40 or so. Look, there's more right there. There's a monster! There's a monster on the wing! Monster on the wing! There, yep, there he is. What do I have over here? There's Bret Hart with the Hulkster brother. This right here, I bought at Monster Palooza from a local artist who does paper mache monsters, movie monsters. So you have to support your local artists. Hey, Paul Stanley, shut your pie. Thank you. This right here, Steve got for me as a gift for being such a wonderful human being that I am. Sometimes, when I'm not being sassy. It's signed by the guy who played Jason, but not the regular Jason. The kid Jason that drowned in Crystal Lake. And it all started with this kid right there. Well, when he signed it, he wasn't a kid anymore. Anyways, here's my Mars Attacks collection with a laser gun. This is not Mars Attacks, obviously. Terrible poster. Kiss meets the Phantom of the Park. But, I mean, terrible movie. Amazing poster. Right? How freaking 80s is this poster? Then I have Godzilla down here. Hanging out with a bunch of soldiers and Will Smith. Baby Godzilla hanging out with more soldiers. Some of my Russian stuff. Here's Barbarella with They Live. Hot, sexy, pink woman with no arms. She does have boobs still, look. Yep. Feel plastic. Feel like bolt-ons. This right here, when you're born in Russia and you're pretty special, they give you these little medals. So I got this medal when I was born. It won't focus on it because it's an American phone. Actually, Japanese phone. It won't focus on Russian medals. There you go. Anyways, let me show you a little bit over here and then... Oh, you saw the rest of the house. No, not today. Alright, let me show you some of the really, really cool stuff here. This is my Dolomite collection. My Dolomite DVDs, VHS tape, bobblehead. You rat soup eating motherfucker. I have a record, dual record, that is signed by Rudy Ray Moore. I met him 6 months before he passed, and signed that for me and called me a couple of names. Rat soup eating motherfucker. Here's my Trauma collection, with a bunch of my Toxic Crusaders action figures. This is a light that's supposed to work, and it goes up here, but it fell off when I was dying. Picture with Lloyd Kaufman, picture with Toxie, more Toxie, and then down here is a bad motherfucker collection. War of the Worlds. For all you sci-fi geeks and horror geeks, you remember this, War of the Worlds, the original radio broadcast on record. I have a Super 8 version of the film. And then I have Forbidden Planet box set, which is one of my favorite movies. Got the little robot from it. And even a smaller version of it. And War of the Worlds on VHS. That's right. So, oh, look at this. When you're a nerd, this is your light switch. So look. Light off. Light on. There it is. Oh, I'll show you this. Signed by Lloyd Kaufman years ago. Some photos from my portfolio film from film school. That's it. That's all you get to see today. Maybe one more thing. Here's my rap collection. That's actually an iPod player, and it dances and lights up and stuff like that. Here's some more. These are old VHS tapes. Like Tim Dog, fuck Compton. Next to Public Enemy. This NWA VHS tape is amazing. And last one, I'll just show you one more. This is my... These are Lokes I bought back in the late 80s, mid to late 80s. That are actual Lokes for back in the day at a liquor store. So, got 2 pairs. And they stay here. They're so dark you could hardly see out of them. Here, I'll show you. Look how dark they are. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold your horses. Look, you can't see shit through them. Look how dark they are. Right? Anyways, there's my Eazy-E tape I bought right around the time he passed. So I asked him to just keep it in that case. I bought it at Tower Records. So it's still in its case, security case. And these are my VHS. These are my VHS audio tapes from all my NWA days. Every single tape and EP that ever came out, I have. And there's more here. And the Musician's Day actually produced. So there it is. That's it. That's all you get. That's all you get for now. It's long enough. I'm sure most of you just turned it off already because they're like, what the fuck? I'm not looking at all this shit. Okay, well, bye.